Hi everyone! So today I want to unbox with you the beautiful Mira by Amore in the color Moccachino R. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is the new style by Noriko called Ayumi in the color Venetian Red R. Absolutely beautiful short bob. Great for every day. I love it. If you're interested in it, I have an unboxing of this piece on my YouTube channel, and I also will have a proper in-depth review of this one there as well. Depending on when you watch it, it might already be there. But today is about Mira. Both Mira and Ayumi are available from Adrian's Trendco. Use my code K20 and that will give you an amazing 20% off site-wide, and I will put the link to these pieces down below in the description box. So let's unbox Mira. I haven't peeked, but I had Mira before and I love Mira. I think it's a cute, the slightest wavy bob. And I think it might be a good sister style to Ayumi. Because it's slightly longer with this little bit more of wave. So it just looks like maybe that you have grown your hair. If you haven't seen someone for a little while, it just looks like, you've grown a hair. So, comes with netting, sits on tissue paper to protect the legs front, etc. This is in Moccachino R, one of my favorite colors by Amore / Rene of Paris brand. So whilst we're here, let's look at the cap construction, which again is just a chef's kiss. You have a mono top, means you can part it wherever you like. In the section, it looks like hair's growing straight out of your scalp there. Then you have an extended lace front. So really natural look on the side. So when you pull it back, it looks like the hair is still growing out of your scalp there. You have a completely hand-tied cap. So the hair will move really naturally. And then you have velvet-covered ear tabs, velvet-covered extended nape with Velcro adjusters. Let's pop it on, see if it really could be a grown-out version of this style. I'm going to shake this one and then pop it on. Let me pop it in the right spot. 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. Have to come slightly down. Move the ear tabs. Right, let me not play with it anymore. Let's show you straight out of the box what it looks like. It's just effortless, an effortless piece. Let me comb it through and part it slightly differently. So I like to have my part here. And I like it a little bit messy, my part, because if it's too straight, then it just doesn't look natural. Yeah, I prefer it on this side. I think it just needs a little bit more persuading. A little bit of water just there, I think. But overall, that was not too bad to part it somewhere else. Right. Absolutely gorgeous. I think it's just one of those undone looks that look a bit messy, but not messy like you just got out of bed. It looks like messy on purpose. And look at this movement. Isn't that amazing? Fibers feel incredibly soft. These are heat-friendly fibers, so you can change things slightly if you wanted to add more of a curl to it or straighten it out, etc., whatever you want. I like the length on this one because that means it's not going to rub on your shoulders during the day. Obviously now with winter season, with your jumpers and scarves, etc., it probably will rub a little bit more, but it's still going to last you a little bit longer. And this color, I think it just suits my skin tone really well, this kind of blonde color. very natural. So let's look at the lace front. I mean, the lace front is amazing. So you have lighter pieces here to the front, so you don't really see the knots there. But it's not like the band effect, because it's just every now and then you have these lighter pieces and then you have some darker pieces interspersed. At least that's how it looks. So it just doesn't give you that band effect, which I think sometimes can look a little bit more unnatural. But this looks really naturally done. So let's look at the part. I think that part is really well done. You probably can't see it quite as well because I have dark hair underneath it. But I will do a proper in-depth review of this piece. So I will show you what it looks like when I have my hand underneath it, which will give you a really good idea of how good that part line is. Permatease, there is no permatease. I hope you can see that this is so natural. So this is a natural lower density piece because of these slight, like barely there waves. There is a little bit feeling of volume here, but not big. It's just natural. It's just, I think it's just really natural. I love how these bits just go where they want. It's not too perfect. And I think if a wig looks too perfect, it can have that wiggy look. This one isn't perfect. And this is what bio hair is, right? It's not perfect. And I think they really simulated that so well with this piece. So as I said, there will be an in-depth review of this piece coming soon, obviously depending on when you watch it. It might already be on my YouTube channel. I will put the link to this piece down below in the description box. You get 20% off at Adran's Trend Go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I hope I see you very soon. Bye.